To create a Swagbox account and start earning rewards, you'll have to follow these steps. First of all, open your web browser and go to the Swagbox homepage and navigate to its official website. Once done so, initiate the sign up process. For that, you'll have to tap on the Join Now or Login button located at the top right corner of the page. So you can simply see that Create Account option available there at the bottom. So you can tap on it. Now here you can continue with Apple, Google, or any of social media account which can be linked with. So I'm continuing with the Google for easy access. Once you have successfully logged in, then you'll be navigated to verify your email address. Tap on the Verify Now option available there. Then open your Gmail in the new tab. In the Gmail, you will get to see the Swagbox email option available. Simply tap on it. Here, scroll down and there you can see Verify option available and tap on the Verify and verify your email address. Once your email address is verified, you will have to provide your information. Simply tap on it. Tap on Continue option available. Now here you will be asked few questions. You will have to answer them accordingly. Now enter your age. Then you will have to enter your birth date. Once done, tap on the next option available there. So now here you will be asked few questions. Which video game platforms do you use? I'm tapping on the iPhone. You can choose any according to your preferences. And you can see how many people live in your household. You can tap on the Prefer Not to Say as well and continue with it. There are many questions. You can simply tap on the Prefer Not to Say or Answer Honestly and continue again. So you can see what language do you speak option available. I'm simply tapping on the English. You can choose your language from the list available here. Now here you'll have to enter your household. You can also tap on the Prefer Not to Say again. So here I'm choosing the student option available. If you are employed or if you are doing any part-time job, you can also tap on it and navigate to it. So you see there might be a few questions available on your screen. You can simply answer it or tap on the Prefer Not to Say if you don't want to provide your personal information on this website. After you complete all this, then you will be successfully navigated to your account of Swagbox. So make sure you complete all this question first of all. So now once completed, you have the access to your account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.